Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video, and thank you for clicking on this one. It is really amazing that you are here and I appreciate your time. My name is Elizabeth if you just joined me, and I do homemaking. I do lifestyle yako villaging, village lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Enjoy the rest of the video. I was cooking for myself only because in this house they don't even like it, but at least my daughter does do eat, but yeah, they cannot cook. For as long as I don't cook it, then that means no one will ever have oats in this house. So I was the only one left to have breakfast. I've just done with my laundry, and it was around to 11 in the morning. Then I had to make this breakfast so that I can be able to wait on the people that are coming to install the inverter, and just to prepare that power for me and put in the panels on top of the roof. And guys, I think I have helped other people because they were inquiring how did I made it, and I told them this is how I made it. You need to be patient, because when things happen, people think you have that money and we don't even have. People think things, you just wake up and go do things. Little do they know that this took me a year, completely a year. So yeah, I think I have helped others that they must know Rome was not built in one day. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth. So I am going to have breakfast at this moment, and I got this some other time. The fact that it is a small size and I can use it and be finished completely without it getting spoiled. So it's very rare to find this kind of a package. Normally I do find the flavored ones, which I do not buy. I want a full cream, yeah. So in these things of installing, that's when I've realized that people might rip you off, because the person that asked me how did I make it, I just told them I saved for a year, I made quotations, and yeah, I waited. Then she just told me there were other people telling them to give them a chunk of money. They bring everything, they install, and they give them Buma 50k, Buma 70k. That is a lot of money. I didn't even spend close to that. Others, they will tell you they will come and install, you pay monthly installments. How long are you gonna pay for that? If things gets I just heard, or this is a rip off, because you are gonna pay a lot of money. You need knowledge of these things. People need to go shop to shop. People need to make research before they can purchase or make any decisions. It took me a year, guys. I was always on YouTube googling about this information. Also, I was always in shops checking where can I buy. Like I told you, I got my panels 1,400 instead of 3,500. So yeah, I think I've helped that lady. She'll make a sound decision about it. We really need electricity and we are really tired of that. So yeah. So it is by this day that the electrician came to install everything, and everything went well. All parts were there. I was just afraid that we will be short of cables, but we had enough of the cables and everything was installed, guys. Finally, the storm is over. The only thing that is the only thing that is bothering me is the noise that is being made by the inverter fan. It has got a fan, and yeah, it cools itself down, so it makes noise the whole time until we go to sleep. Like I have mentioned the other day that I need to take down these plants, the tomatoes. Yeah, I had energy. It was on a Sunday. During the day I had energy to just remove them, even though there were still tomatoes that were left, but the rats that are moving there, it's too much. And my car parks outside, it's very dangerous. The rats, somehow I can see their mautwana, but again the legs, do they have legs, those things that they sepala with house next to my car? So it means if they can enter the engine and start eating the cables, that would be a problem for me. So I just needed to remove everything and clean up also, and also prepare for the next summer, which is like in few months. We enter in spring in 2 weeks, and it will be good. The rain will be coming, so I need to clear up everything so that I can be ready for the next season. I know the tomatoes will come again on their own. I don't have to stress myself about it. So this one it plants itself on its own. And again, I know the ones that are rotten or the ones that are left down there, they're gonna come out and make more tomatoes again. So I had to clean up and make the space very clean. The ones that I'm removing there are another type of spring onions that I don't really like, so I'm just gonna throw them out. I know if they can catch soil that side, they're still gonna be growing because they don't really die down. And since this tree is making some, it's blooming for making fruits, I wanted to make this hole around so that I can be able to water it, because the water flows out when I attempt to water it. So I just want this to hold water so that the roots can absorb it in a nice way, and we have fruits if it doesn't get blown out by the wind that is coming in August. So yeah, August is known for wind, but I just pray and hope that this tree is strong enough to hold on to the blooming so that it can do as mangoes. Here is the order of the day. I have taken this fridge from my mother's place. It has been there for a long time and they're not using it anymore because it has got an issue of making ice on the freezer and down there where you put your vegetables and store things to cool them off. This fridge is my first property that I bought when I started working. I started by buying this fridge. It was 1,500, I can still remember. And yeah, it was the very first purchase from my salaries. So it is still working, and it just needed to be revamped, like maybe to change the gas or fill up the gas again so that it doesn't do the freezing on top and on at the bottom. But it is still working properly. The reason why they bought another one is because they just wanted a bigger one. There's this a very small fridge, and my daughter has washed it. Yeah, they were using it to store things just in J, but now it came in handy for me, and I'll switch it on as time goes on. I was still charging the battery and see how it behaves. I wanted the battery to be full and fully charged so that when I switch on this thing, it doesn't finish off the power that is there. So yeah, even the lights that are there, they are very bright, guys. The lights that I was having, I thought they are as bright as ever, but they were not as bright. So the power that is here, the energy that is being produced here is very much, and I'm so grateful that I have done that. So yeah, I have a fridge now which I'll switch on in due course. And thank you for joining me in this video. Thank you for subscribing to this video. Thank you for everything, and I will see you in my next video, guys. And in this channel, we live slow, we teach each other to be patient, especially financially. So there is no competition, we are not running anywhere. We'll do things accordingly and according to our own pace. I love you so much, and I hope you stay blessed. Thank you very much.